hard to describe in words, really. I still have a deep knot in my stomach. Since Wednesday morning, when the talented cartoonists were attacked in their very own workplace in broad daylight, the constant developments that we've seen for the last 2 days, it's really horrifying to think 17 people have been killed since Wednesday, and a number of people, boom, of Paris and the whole of France has been shook by this. Imagine what people are going through. The atmosphere in Paris is pretty surreal, really. It's heard so many sirens, so much confusion. People's faces very much alert, looking around the corner, a bit edgy. On the other hand, there's kind of a comforting feeling as well, where people are coming together in kind of a feeling of defiance against what's been going on, in revolt, expressing their hatred towards anyone who uses violence or uses terrorism as a means to get their message across. The words "Je suis Charlie" are everywhere in Paris. Well, I think it's probably one of the most challenging stories to report on as a journalist. I think what could happen now is a number of journalists might be a bit more careful when reporting about terrorism in general. But I think after these events and after what I've experienced in the last few days, I just feel more empowered to take up my pen or crayon, which has become a symbol, of course, of the events in the last few days, to express my opinion and really write and communicate everything that I see and witness when I'm working and when I'm reporting to the world in order to make it a better place.